Hey style girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle if you are new here, and in today's video we have some style inspo. Sunday's style inspo was a hit. You guys really loved the video. It was well received, so we're back for another round, and this time I'm still gonna pick with my eyes closed for my wardrobe. However, I'm going to kind of give what outfit I style a category. For example, I'll pick a random category, date night, and then I'll style that item for date night if possible. So I think that adds a little bit of interest to just picking something out of my closet at random, even though that was like really fun. Let me know in the comments down below how you like this video, but we're gonna get right into it. I think this week we're gonna go over here to the dress section, so I'm gonna close my eyes and pick a dress to style. Oh, so we have, I've styled this before. We're gonna style it again. It is a very feminine, kind of like ruffly, dark floral dress. It is no longer available. I got this a very long time from Misguided. I haven't worn it recently, so this should be interesting. Of course, we're gonna come over here to the tops section, closing my eyes and picking something at random. And we have this black turtleneck with a cutout shoulder. Also, this should be interesting. Blazers are such easy go-to items to choose, so I'm gonna close my eyes and pick a blazer. And we have this one here. It is like a herringbone, not herringbone, but like houndstooth, black and white material. Fun fact, I thrifted this blazer and it's 100% silk, and I ruined it by trying to dry clean it at home. So it kind of has low-key stains in it, so because I revived it as much as I could. So we're gonna style this. All right, the three categories are going to be date night, every day, kind of like running errands, and we'll do workwear, but let's say you have to grab drinks after. So yes, those are the three categories. Also, one of my style girls had left me a comment in last week's video requesting styling with loafers. I do not own an actual pair of like full coverage loafers, but I do have some loafer mules. I will style those. I will kind of integrate those into the video. So what I'll do is I'll integrate it into styling this dress. So this dress, I would definitely think loafers would be a nice touch to it. Now you have me thinking that I need to purchase like full coverage loafers. So I'm going to style this dress kind of like two ways, all right? So I just wanted to add that little tidbit. So this first dress is this florally, like ruffly, very feminine, flowy, short dress. Like I said, I don't wear this a lot. I'm actually contemplating Xing it out of my wardrobe, but because I picked it, I was gonna style it. I'm always up for a challenge. So I styled it two ways for you guys. The first way was ultra feminine. I have on this coat that I thrifted. It's pink. The brand is The Loft, but I got it from the thrift store. It's a nice like pea coat situation for an elevated, classy night out. I also chose to put on some tights because the dress is rather short, and I'm wider in the hips, making the skirt even shorter. So I wanted to put some tights underneath the dress to kind of add that element of class. You know, I don't want to be showing my out here. So these tights are by Sheertex, and it was my first time breaking them out of the package. Bought them for my birthday, never wore them, but I must say I will be purchasing more of these because baby, these are nice quality leggings. And I don't know if you can see, but they had a nice like almost I don't know what that line detail down the back of the leg is called, but it's almost like it gives the illusion that it leads up to a garter on the leg. Girl, talk about sexy. Oh my gosh, those stockings are so sexy. I really like them, and I think it added a nice like sexy touch to this ultra feminine dress. And then I have it paired with my Zara pointed toe mules that I've worn time and time. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing those, but I did pair them with that. And then of course you guys are also tired of seeing my Coach heart bag, but I'm just not tired of wearing it. It literally goes with anything that I need just a plain black bag with. So that is how I styled this. And of course I kept on these pearls because, you know, florals, pearls, it's giving feminine. It's giving big feminine energy with a dash of sexy, classy, just very, very nice silhouette that I created here. The second way I styled it, I kept in mind that one of my style girls requested me style some loafers. I don't own any loafers, so I was going to use my loafer mules, but they just weren't giving what I needed it to give. In my opinion, loafers add edginess. If it's the loafers that I think you're talking about, loafers add a nice bit of edge to an outfit. So I wanted to keep that edgy feel, and with the loafer mules, they just don't give edge. They give classy, they give traditional, they give, you know, they give something that I wasn't trying to give. So to keep it more edgy, I added my 9 West boots that are dupes for the Prada Monolith boots. Those, if anything gives edge, it is those, and they're kind of at the shoe part in the same shape of a loafer. So if you just take away the leg part and just use your imagination to pretend that this is a loafer, you will get the same exact look, and I think it would even be better. So I put those on, and then of course the dress, and then I have this very heavy duty, almost like a motorcycle leather coat that I thrifted with the silver metallic, not metallic, but silver like metal detail, and it is so edgy. Like, this is giving edge. I kept on my pearls because I like to mix the feminine with the edge. It's like a superb combination, and to me this is more of a casual date outfit, but I still want to give cute. The other one was more classy. We're going to see a show, we're going maybe even to hang out with parents, we're going to a dinner, I may be going on a dinner date with co-workers of my significant other, like something where you kind of just don't want to be too overtly sexy, but you still want to add a little bit of sex appeal. That would be the first outfit. This one here is, I'm a bad girl, and take me out. Take me out. I can hold my own. I'm really still cute and feminine, but don't play with me. Don't try me. So I love that for this outfit. For this look, this was our running errands, very casual outfit. Of course I wanted to elevate it slightly, and the way I did that was with accessories. So from head to toe, I have on this Zara headband that I got several years ago. This was before florals were trending. They may have been trending then, I'm not sure, but I got it in black and I got it in this deep wine red. I actually thought about getting rid of these from my collection, but I'm so glad I didn't, because now we're in a time of a floral accent trend, and this is perfect. It is a floral accent. I think it's really cute, so I have that. And then of course the turtleneck with like the peekaboo cutout shoulder, and it is a turtleneck. It is large enough to tuck in, so I opted to tuck it in to these cargo pants, these camo cargo pants that I wear. Like, I wear these to the ground because they're so comfortable, they're stylish, they're camo, like they just go with anything. So these will never get old. And then I have on some dad sneakers that I also wear very often that I got from Zara, and my bag is from Amazon, and it's just a backpack that I can throw on. To be honest, I don't carry it as much because it is not of great quality, and getting in and out of what would be a drawstring it's annoying. So I carry that not very often. So I think this is becoming a video of what I need to get rid of out of my wardrobe, but this is the look for a casual day of running errands. Let's style this blazer over here. The last and final look, we styled this blazer for a work, I'm gonna say casual Friday / after work drinks look. And I wanted to do something more smart casual, so we're gonna layer our workwear on top of each other for a nice elevated and layered look. So I started with this cardigan that I thrifted. It's a 100% silk cardigan, and I wanted to mix the patterns from the jacket to something else. So I chose this black and white striped patterned cardigan. It does button up, so I could wear it open and then add another layer underneath it if I really wanted to take it there. But I just chose to button it all the way up to the top. And then of course the blazer is like a black and cream-ish colored houndstooth print. So those two prints together look phenomenal, and I really like it. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I do. And of course I have some leggings on, and leggings for work only if your behind is covered and it's gonna stay covered. Leggings are not pants, but if you can cover your bottom part, then you can get away with it. So because the blazer does come like mid-thigh, I opted to put on these leggings that I got from Target, which I absolutely love. And then I have on these little kitten heel boots that I thrifted. They are 9 West brands, 100% leather, and they have like the smallest little heel, but I can see myself going all day long in these boots, like a walking position, somewhere where I have to be on my feet most of the day, and then I would definitely be able to transition these into an after work function. And I did roll up the sleeves at the end while styling it, which I really like because then you also get to see the reverse print from the cardigan. Girl, super. My jewelry is the Vault label. This is a vintage Omega necklace. I have on these simple stud earrings, and then my bag was of course a work tote. But for an after party, for an after work gathering, I chose to switch into something more small, something more compact, smaller, and more fun. So I have this beaded bag, like a satchel bag that I thrifted. You know, this whole outfit is almost thrifted, and I feel really accomplished when that happens. You might not be able to reshop these things, but I just love being able to thrift items and still look current. So I love that. My sunglasses are YSL. I bought them off of ThredUp, I believe. Yes, ThredUp. So also thrifted. And yeah, that is the look, and that also concludes our style inspo video for this week. I hope you guys love these looks. I love these looks. I think this one is my favorite one. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And until next time, style girl, bye.